Welcome back. Joining us virtually right now, we have Charity, our resident gardener. Charity, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me today.
Of course. So you have a brand new container gardening class for beginners that's coming up. It's the 26th. What do people at home need to know?
So we're going to talk about all the things you're seeing in your garden right now. You're probably seeing lots of beautiful flowers.
Yeah.
Hopefully you're seeing some flowers on your plants, maybe even some tomatoes and things. But you might be seeing some things like pests. You might see some things like overwatering or like a little damage on your leaves. So we're going to be addressing all of those type of issues and talking about what we can do, what you can expect to see in your garden, what's normal. So people aren't like, I kill everything. No, this is totally normal. We're in South Louisiana. And we really want to encourage other gardeners, help them get started on making sure they're fertilizing, they're watering properly, all of those things so that they can be set up for success throughout the summer.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I need to go to this class because all of the things I don't fertilize, I don't know what's going on with any of my plants, to be quite honest with you, Charity. I love that you guys are offering this for people to encourage them to get out and garden. So what day is this all taking place?
So it's going to be next Thursday at the South Regional Library. Kellye from the Wild Child Farms is going to be joining me. She's a pro at pest management and watering and prevention. She does a lot of incredible organic gardening, so I'm really excited to have her with us. And we'll be talking about the upcoming classes we have in our Homesteading and Acadiana series.
Nice. And should people RSVP for this one coming up on Thursday?
If they can, that's great. We're actually also going to be separating people into groups. So I really want to set people up with their area. So if you're from Maurice or you're from Abbeville or Breaux Bridge or Youngsville, I really want to connect people that are growing in the city, that are growing in the country. So they have that reference of, hey, I'm seeing this. Is this normal? Or, man, is this only in my area? And they'll actually have a local gardener that they can turn to and reach out to when they start noticing things in their garden.
I love this. This is such a great resource, and I love that you want to connect other gardeners in the community together. Charity, we have about 30 seconds left. How can people learn more information?
You can search beginner container gardening on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram at gardenia_gardener. You can find Kellye at Wild Child Farms. We'll also be posting a lot on Facebook and Instagram. But also in June coming up, we have designing and planning a homestead. If you're thinking about doing that. In July, we're going to be talking about keeping a dairy cow. In August, we'll talk about using essential oils on your homestead. So there's so much to learn. There's a place for everyone. And I hope you guys will come out and join us. Whether you're a beginner or you've gardened for 50 years, we would love to have you and your knowledge.
I love these classes. Charity, thank you so much for joining us to share this information with our viewers today.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us, Taylor.